It's going to be another taller tree in these directions. Let's put it from the bottom and going the strokes to the upward. Taking some more colors and some branches from here. Branch is going to be thicker at the bottom. Some outlines with the grasses. You can put the green outlines also for the grasses. So it's a broken piece of wood and a very small canvas. So that's why only simple drawing will be here. Just you can draw a bird. This is the wings. Another wings on the front. Okay, so it's only a symbol of a bird. All right, and let's put the top portions, some leaves which has red colors. Just a few dots, and that defines the leaves of the trees around it. Okay. So this is the drawing. I hope you like the painting. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.